Hello everyone, this is Alicia from workersonboard.com. I hope you're having a great day so far. Today I wanted to share with you a work from home opportunity for those who would like to use your voice. You can be a voice actor and get paid really well. There's a company that's currently looking for voice actors to work from home, and they're going to pay you $70 to $90 per hour. I'm going to show you the name of the website and read over the details. By the way, they're not just hiring in the U.S., but they're hiring in other countries too. So if you live outside of the U.S. and you would like to do this from home, please make sure you stay tuned to watch this video to find out all the details. Also, there is a company that has several data entry jobs available that you can apply to, and they're hiring immediately with hourly pay. So I'm going to tell you about that too. So again, make sure you watch this video to the end, tell your friends, and share this video with others, anybody else that you know that would love to work from home or that has that desire to work from home. Now, before I get into the details, please be sure to subscribe if you have not subscribed to this channel, and give me a thumbs up if you like the content that I'm sharing in this video. So I do want to let you all know that I did send out a newsletter yesterday with some additional work at home job leads for you all. Now I'm going to send out one tomorrow too. So if you have not subscribed to the newsletter, you can simply just visit my official website and then input your email address right there, so that you will have those additional work at home job leads sent to you tomorrow, in addition to what I also post on my official website. Also, I want to let you all know too that there is a way a lot of you all are using social media to find out new information, learn something that you can utilize in your daily life, to connect with people, and all kinds of different things, to absorb content and read the latest news or whatever you're doing. But you can use social media to earn some extra cash every single day, in fact. So I wanted to let you all know that it is possible to do that. Of course, some of you all may be using Facebook and Instagram, Pinterest to search for things, lots of different social media platforms. And I wanted to write a post about that to let you all know how you can do it and what techniques you can utilize to be able to earn money with these social media platforms. A lot of people are doing this. You don't necessarily have to be an influencer and have a lot of people following you in order to be able to make money, but if you do, you can possibly earn more money. But there are ways for you to be able to do that. People are using TikTok too. And so I wanted to let you all know about that so that you can look over this and then be able to use these platforms to your advantage, not just to absorb content and information, but also possibly to share it and then benefit from that to generate some income for yourself, especially if you have not heard from a company and you've been applying to jobs and you have not been offered a job yet, or you're in between jobs, or whatever the case may be. This will help you to earn some income while you're waiting to work from home. Now, I did post brand new work at home jobs on the weekly job page this week. In fact, one of the jobs that I posted yesterday, if you happen to come to my website and you're looking for this job, this was a company that was looking for influencers and brand and partners to work from home. They were paying $85,000 to $100,000 a year with benefits and laptop. $4,000 a year for your laptop reimbursement and equipment. That job's already been filled. So these jobs go really quickly. So what I would recommend that you do, a lot of these jobs are still available, but some of them go super fast. So please make sure that you visit my website every day if you're looking for new work at home job leads. Just come here every day. I try to post them before noon. Sometimes I get a little bit behind, but come in the mornings and see if you see new work at home job leads that you have not seen the day before. and then go ahead and apply as soon as you can because they get filled really quickly. So I did want to share with you all a job opportunity that I thought was really great for anybody who wants to do voiceover work and you have a nice sounding voice and you don't want to talk to customers over the phone. So this job opportunity. It comes from Hot Ghost Writer. They are looking for audio narrators to work from home. Basically remote freelance voice actors that would like to narrate ebooks for them. And so they need people to do this, not just in the US, but in other countries as well. And you will be narrating ebooks. And so you're going to be working from your home studio. Projects come up, so you don't have to bid on anything or apply. And these projects come up, and then you can just work on those. And the rate that they're going to pay you is $70 per 10,000 words for nonfiction, and then $90 per 10,000 words for fiction book narrating. And so you may be wondering, well, how much is it going to equal up to in an hour's worth of work? Well, it says that 10,000 words is roughly equal to 1 hour. So you can make $70 to $90 per hour. They will pay you every week, but in order for you to be a qualified candidate, they do want you to be experienced narrating books. So you have to have previous experience, especially with ACX and their audio submission requirements. So if you've done that before, you're familiar with the whole process, then you would be a great fit for this particular opportunity. You also need to have a native English voice and be able to record and edit at least 10,000 words in a span of 3 to 4 days. This is a long-term work from home opportunity, so they are specifically looking for people that can work long-term and that are reliable, well-spoken, and that are open to constructive criticism. So again, if this is something that you're interested in, please make sure that you apply online. They do want you to be able to have an expressive tone in your voice, so not anything that's monotone, and be able to have a great pace, and to be able to work on a lot of these projects. So if you're interested in doing this, please make sure that you go ahead and apply online. When you apply, they are going to ask you for your resume and a photo ID just to verify that you are who you say you are. And it says they will give them at least 2 weeks for them to process your application, because they receive a lot of applications. So try to have a little bit of patience with that. And then if you are a qualified candidate, somebody that they would like to hire, then they're going to reach out to you and schedule a video interview. So just keep that in mind. Now, they have other positions. This is not the only job opportunity. They also need editors and writers to work from home. And you can see some of these below. So if you're interested in that, make sure you check that out. But it is on the weekly job page, and you'll find that job opportunity right here. Now, if you're looking to do data entry work from home, this is definitely something that you want to apply to as soon as you can. Now, it comes from Bold Business. Now, they have a lot of work at home job opportunities. I'm going to scroll down the page, and you can see they have lots of work at home job opportunities. They don't just hire in the US, but they hire in other countries also. So they have lots of job opportunities for you all. So they even have work at home jobs for those who want to work in social media, and other opportunities for you to apply to online, video editors. They have lots of work at home job opportunities, and dispatch. So I wanted to just highlight these data entry jobs. Now, you're going to see where it says data enrichment, and then you scroll down, and then it says data enrichment agent supervisor, and then it says just plain old data entry. And data entry agent, data entry clerk. When I looked at the job description, all of them really pretty much say the same thing. So I just wanted to click in and so to show you this particular opportunity. Now they're hiring people that can start immediately. So if you're looking for a data entry job and you want to get started right away, please apply online. So what you're going to be doing here is you're going to do research for the company. You're going to update their online databases, meaning that you're going to type in information. And then you will make calls to verify and validate that information is correct. So they're looking for individuals who can work full-time, that have good research skills, are tech savvy, and you can multitask with superior customer service skills. This particular job opportunity pays $14 per hour, and you will be starting immediately. Again, they have a lot of work at home job opportunities, so if data entry is just not your forte, something that you're interested in, please make sure you check out some of their other work at home job opportunities, and they all pay hourly. You can read more details about that, but I wanted to let you know, if for those who specifically are looking for data entry jobs, they also hire in the Philippines and other countries as well, like I mentioned, as well as the US. But they have lots of work at home job opportunities with this company, and you can find that job at the bottom, near the bottom of the page here. They are hiring immediately. There's also some other job opportunities for you to apply to online, as well as another data entry position. So remember, what I mentioned in this video is not all of the job opportunities that are available. I will link my official website, the weekly job page, for you to go ahead and access these jobs and apply as soon as you can, because a lot of these jobs are going really fast. So if you've been hired recently, though, and you have some good news to share, please feel free to leave me your comment right below this video. Again, I hope this video was helpful, and if you need any additional work at home job leads, or you have a question about something, or you need some advice, go ahead and join our Facebook group. Come over and join our community, Workers on Board community. Ask questions, engage with our group, and get your questions answered, and learn more about this whole work from home opportunity, because it's not going to go away anytime soon. It's here to stay, working from home. Thank you again so much for watching. Remember, if you haven't subscribed, be sure to do so, and make sure you check out for my next video. Thanks for watching.